Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Highway 2000 East-West leg. This is the first main highway to be built in Jamaica, or first major highway to be built in Jamaica, and it also takes you from Kingston to Mandeville. It's eventually going to go all the way to Negril. Now this highway was built probably in the early 2000s, Highway 2000. And since then, just recently, they have started to make a lot of upgrades to the existing sections of the highway. Now, remember, the highway currently ends in Williamsfield, just on the outskirts of Mandeville, and they continue to extend the highway because this highway is actually going to Negril and Montego Bay. But the sections that were already built and are open, like this section we're looking at now, we're out by Freetown. They are expanding the ramps out here. Before they had 2 ramps, now they're extending it to 4. So it's going to be like a diamond interchange now. In Hartford, just by Innswood, they are also going to be putting in another diamond interchange. And they are expanding the lanes at the toll plazas. The Vineyards Toll Plaza, the lanes, they're adding more lanes, because a lot of traffic is on this road, and as they continue to extend the road, more cars get to use it. And another major plus for this highway is they recently opened the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway, but they're not charging toll on that section of the highway. So what you find is people are getting on the highway to use the free section of the road, and because it's such an easy and convenient drive, they're just staying on the highway and continuing. So the traffic at the toll plazas has definitely increased, and so they're expanding the lanes. And as we said earlier, they're putting on a ramp, 2 additional ramps at this interchange, so you can exit and enter this highway from any direction you are going by Freetown. And of course, it's China Harbour Engineering Company that's doing the work. Looks like it's finished. I guess just the lines. I don't know if they're going to put in some rail. Yeah, they would have to put in some sort of rails. But the road itself is finished. On this side, they're putting in another ramp on the other side. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.